I'm weaving kente in northeast region of Ghana.
Hi everyone, good day. It's been a while I posted. So today I'm in the northern upper east region of Ghana, and I decided to pass by a kente weaving shop to see how they do kente and to learn how it's done. Kente cloth is probably the most universally recognized of all African fabrics. It's accepted by almost everybody, the diasporans, African diasporans all around the world. It's renowned festive dress. It's worn at a variety of events, weddings, graduations, naming ceremonies, and all of that. Kente cloth gained its first international exposure in 1957 after the independence of Ghana. This happened when some African Americans from other countries visited Ghana and decided to take a piece of kente with them to show their African identity and African heritage. The likes of Angelou, W.E.B. Du Bois, Malcolm X, Mohammed Ali, just to mention a few, are some of the Black Americans who went away with kente back in 1957. The president of Ghana, then president of Ghana, is also known to have gone to the United States in 1958 with a troop of dignitaries all wearing kente. It was a shock to the Americans because they did not know that cloth could be worn in a way that is wrapped. But then that was how pictures of the kente was taken, and then it was put in some of the very big magazines of that time. Fast forward today, kente is being used by a lot of people for brides, for weddings, for engagements, for outdoorings, by kings, by chiefs, by everybody. There are two types of kente currently that are popular in Ghana, the Northern Kente and the Ashanti Kente. In this video, we are going to go through a stepwise journey of how the Northern Kente is made and why kente is expensive. Steak and steak. So right now, what are you doing actually?
Now, I'm doing warping.
Warping.
Hey, Bundana. Bundana. Your child is calling you.
So you put all of them together and you pick them one.
Yes.
Warping.
And then it has amount that you are going to want.
In India and other developing countries, machines are used for warping, which makes the work easier.
Someone will hold here, someone will hold here.
Okay.
Someone will hold here. And tight like this. Tight. And start moving one by one inside the loop.
Moving one by one.
Yes. Inside the loop.
Okay.
When you put it inside here, after that, you come to this place. When you come to this place, you look and see what color will fill the glove so that the glove will be lighting. And you see, like this one, it's going to feel black because if you feel it white, it's going black.
Okay.
He's going to tie it here.
Okay.
Tie it here. Turn it to where the spinning box is.
Like.
Yeah. here. Everything wrong. Everything is wrong. It's supposed when you see the lens, it's front and back. So if we collect front, the second you are going to collect back. If you did mistake and you collect front,
Everything is fault.
you have to correct that place. You can correct. Like the example like you dent to this one, sit inside here. After that, you come to this place. When you come to this place, you look and see what color will fill the glove so that the glove will be granted.
Looks like my wedding colors. How long does it take for someone to learn how to do kente?
That one, it depends on somebody with talent. Everybody with their talent. I can take 1 year to know everything about it.
Okay.
But someone cannot even up to 1 year. How we call it that heading? This one we call it heading.
You call it what?
Heading.
Okay.
See, the first time I give her back. So this one is back. And this one is going to one.
Okay. So you are the one who is pulling this thing from that side to this side. Nothing is easy. That's true. So this is a complete work. Wow. So finally, the final work is being put into yards, folded into yards. It's mostly 2 yards, 4 yards, multiples of 2. The video is almost over. The final question I asked her was the differences between the Southern and Northern Kente. The Southern Kente has drawings and sometimes mixed with dyes. Meanwhile, the Northern Kente does not have, it's just plain with threads and colors. The Southern Kente uses a big loom, whilst the Northern Kente uses a small loom or a narrow loom. You can contact Peace and Love.
So you guys, if you want Kente for your event or anything, just contact Peace and Love Kente Salon, Weaving Salon. They are going to send the mask to you wherever you are. It's right for now. Please press on the